That's only a few hours later. Look how busy it got. Go inside to see what's all. Still working astronomical clock. Okay, so the first one is at 10 o'clock. I'm gonna walk towards the hotel now. 10:27. It's not happening. It's a vibrant city. I see loads of people and tour guides and cycle guides and loads of things to do. Rough map, loads of stuff to do. Just thinking there, they might not allow me to film in there, so I'll go in and I'll ask them. If not, I'm going to skip and enjoy, let you know what it's like. I'll post a comment now. And if I can record, well, I'll record. Score. So, video is allowed. And she said even some things you'll probably see better with your camera. So I'm going to take some shots here as well. Actually, look. You have this set up here. And you put it up to it and magnifies it perfectly. That's savage. That's cool. Yeah. That was 350 Czech kron. I don't know how much that is in euros, but you can have a check out there, see how much it is. Oh, shit. Hotel Adria, that is us right there. Oh look, they have a skate rink. No way. Let me get the actual shot of the hotel. Won't do the staff entering me in because they'll probably be in the mood. We're finally getting into the hotel. It was nice and early, like, they were very polite and lovely staff. Checking in like 2 hours early. So tired. No offense, I did have a beer. So I'll charge up the batteries on this, memory cards, not memory cards, microphone, everything. As you can see, it's red. But quick little, ooh, that looks cool. Right, B31.
10.
Ah. Ooh. Put it in the right way. Ah, there we go. Oh, okay. Right. Actually, that's bigger than I was expecting. Oh, nice TV. That's grand. It's a single bed. That looks wider than a single bed, so that's grand. I don't need much other than a plug socket and a bed. Ooh, that looks fancy. Yeah, that's all I need. Toilet, shower, TV, a mini fridge there. So like Coca-Cola is $3.30, $3.70 for a Coke, $3.70 for a Fanta, $3.70 for a beer, $7.80 for a Prosecco, $3.70 for a water. So I'll have to hit the shops. Some information there. Yeah. And the view is basically that quad we were looking at. That's where we came in. So nothing fancy, but this cost me, I'll put it up here now, and yeah, that's it. Cool. On the rocks or neat? On the rocks. We're here with my girl Ariana, and we're going to do some food review. Went to Sausage Go Sausage, and he said it's spicy, but not too spicy, so we're going to. It's actually more than I was expecting. There was a bit of heat on the sausage, but like, you don't have to be spicy. Do you have like normal sausage? Do you have beef? Do you have veggie? Do you have multiple choices? It's very economical as well. Like the little fork thing that you use, it's only in it.